Welcome to CF Bangla Tech. Today in this video, we will see how to share your mobile screen into your PC. So let's start the video. So to do this method, there are many software available in online market, such as AllConnect, Bubble Up NP Tiltle, Plex, Mirroring 360 Sender, iMediaShare, and so on. But today in this video, we will see the easy way to share your mobile screen into your PC. So to do that, we need a software. The link of this software are given in the video description. Download the file and right-click to extract the file. Double-click to open the folder. Double-click the .exe file or run as administration. Press OK, then Next. Check the box, then Next. Click Install. Then follow the step. Now connect your mobile into your PC by a USB or Wi-Fi network. When you connect your phone, a software will install automatically in your phone. Wait some time until the software will install. When the software will install, the progress bar will complete 100%. For the first time, it may take some time. As you can see, now the phone screen is connected into my PC screen. Thank you so much for watching the video.